Today is 20th of October. It's Saturday. I am at Ampabame near Bushen. If you can see, I'm looking at this building. You see, someone is trying to modernize their bit of the property. So you can see there's cream blocks, and there is the earthen red bricks. As you can see, it's cracking up, and this has been there over 100 years, and it's still standing, even though there's some cracks there. And this is what Africans used to use for their buildings. Then you don't need air condition. But now look, the modern style, you use the bricks, but you need air condition. So you see the difference. This one has been there over 100 years. It's still standing, even though there's some cracks. I haven't been to inside. I've not been to inside, but you can see the outside is cracking up. You can just put or just modernize it with the cement and the red soil, and you are good to go. However, I suspect this will also be removed and put bricks, so-called modernized bricks there, and then you will need air condition or a fan in the house. I'm just sitting down here waiting for the family of Kokumenu wife to come and present what they need to do, the traditional presentation to Kokumenu's family. So I'm just hanging around here waiting for them. Okri herself is not coming, but her family are here.